Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and as you can see on the screen. Blam Blam has been arrested, my people. He has been arrested by ICE immigration officials. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because it was either now or later. By the way, how this individual has been moving on social media. You see what I say? And it's not a good looks for the people them who's around him, because the people them think that he's going to snitch to stay in America, and he has a lot of intel on people in Jamaica and America. You see my son, you know, Nicki Minaj did a mix up with him, but you know, say, Nicki smarter than that for sure, Blam Blam, anything, but still, we don't know. You know what I mean? And you know, say them boy, yeah, liar and all them things, but yeah, it was earlier reported that he was locked up. I seen the news, I got, you know, his information and plugged it in the website and verified it for myself. Because, you know, seeing is believing. But I'm not seeing what exactly he got locked up for. So, you know, other than the things that he has been doing on social media, we can't speculate at that. But I have some other speculations that I think we need to discuss, because, boy, things are Rygin King and Snitch and Blamdem, you know. You know what I mean? Because take a look at this now. Oh, we say Blam Blam a roll with, and I talk about chronicler and all of these things. And you know, say Rygin King, like I said, got locked up in New York for some guns, right? And I'm in contact with some people around the people that he's snitching on in that case. And as you can see, I said I'm more interested in that video you're talking about, because the people them say, whoever sent this video of Blam Blam, Rygin King and the Crayman, then you know, they done them from Jamaica, the rifle party, wanted to make sure Rygin King got found guilty. But like I said, he is singing. This is my say. But like I said, this is all speculation until I really see what I go on for not to go on. But like I said, when I say the charges, you know what I mean? But yeah, you know, he might get to behind bars, because you know that's where squash them is at, you know. And them just want for who are Blam Blam, and you know, say, this cheats them, boy. If you don't love Blam Blam, you don't pray for him, but, you know, karma is every man's drama, don't it? Anyway, let's proceed to the next. No, I have some sad news for Roselee's followers. If you don't know about now, it's not getting her England visa. You see, I say, you know, homegirl was, you know, happy to, you know, touch road overseas and all of this stuff. But it look like the people them at the embassy, bad man, you know what I mean, for whatever reasons. I don't know. So let's take a quick listen and then we'll proceed.
Result by Friday, I'm going to pull out this. If I get the result by Friday, I'm going to pull out this sack, I'm catch up my ear. I do my finger on my toe. I'm now pull out my suitcase until me get the result. Because when I supported them, they buy me one big suitcase, sit on the back. Me now pack no suitcase until me get no result. And nobody can travel without passport. Nobody can travel without passport. Same time, I know say yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty high. Anytime I know say yeah. Anytime you see me put on the sewing them the year there. You know, sir, it. If you not see me sewing them the year there, I hope so though. In God's will and God's name and God's way. I hope so though. Don't me the one pack my suit, me the one pack me, come have a big suitcase around there in a 3-piece, you know. The one pack my suit.
Hello, love.
Hello, Maggie.
What's up?
I'm alright.
What are you doing?
Well, I just got here. Hey, you want to play one?
We can do one. You want to do one?
Okay.
Come on. Let's do it up, guys.
Yeah, it's just a sad situation, because it look like, say, all of Rosealee man them are migrate, you know. As you know, Ivani says she had one yammed for still believing, say, Akeem but no people are saying Akeem, he wants to migrate to England. You see, man, I say, cause you know I'm rich up on the apps, and it really don't need to be in Jamaica where people are bring him down because of them bottom rumors and all of these things. You know what I mean? But yeah, like I said, all of her men them is disappearing because Chick is getting married tomorrow, and he's preparing.
One, if them tell to my people, them to my friend them, they can come circle to see me, you understand? Support me. You know, so they must say, when I to my people them, to my friend them, all of me hear from earlier and say, man's fly down come meet my grandmother, so my should reason my people them already, and so my friend them must hear, and so me alone never hear. And me alone never hear. A surprise, yes, me and somebody said that I want to go, you know, it's a surprise wedding. See. No, see, big man thing with now can go on tomorrow, you know, because you say the right thing, because when I get forgot this spa place all now, you know, brother. You can't pop up with the promise and when I get to do a spa, me do nothing at all to me at all, brother.
And if you want to hear a little bit of what Ivania is saying about Rosealee, you can go up on my Credible Bars channel. You see, man, I say. Anyway, let's proceed. Now, speaking about England and the Fantastic Four, like I said, Rosealee now get VR on, but you know, Diamond, they put out some receipts the other day, but whoa. Them say if Diamond come England, she's going to get arrested for stealing like $50 US. Yeah. You see, man, I said, because I'm going to give her the info to the crown and all of this stuff. So let's take a listen to the people them that, you know, said Diamond take the money and things and things.
I called Diamond from my workplace. I'm a Christian. I don't do TikTok. So I told her, and she said to me, I said to her, my cousin said to me I should give her the money when they come to England. She said I should put it in her account. I don't do Zelle or whatever, so she gave me her bank account. When we send the money, after my cousin from Manchester tried to contact Rose to ask Rose if she got her money, Rose said no. So I went back to Diamond and asked her. She start cussing me on my phone if it comes suck out or what's it, not it.
That's Diamond, man.
Yes. And oh, she classed me and tell me some nasty stuff. And she start cuss me and I requested back the money. The money.
Yeah, but they must say, Miss, they're saying that Diamond sent you back the money.
Hold on. I requested back the money. Hold on. Tell them to shut up if them don't know nothing. Let me finish speak.
All right, go ahead and speak.
When the money was sent back, I threatened Diamond because I called the law over here on Diamond because Diamond don't know the work that I did because Diamond threatened me. The matter is in the police hands as well. Yeah? For who don't know on the live. The money was sent back to my account and I gave it back to my cousin, only £200. You understand? I refused to speak to her because Diamond don't have no manners. She had no manners. And what I believe, she only withhold these money because if my cousin didn't go to Rose, we would have known that Rose did not get her money. Because every time we ask her, she did not say she didn't give Rose the money. So Diamond is a little troublemaker. And she's rude and disrespectful. And that is very distasteful. And she also said to me that Rose don't accept peanut money. That a little change. And when we asked Rose, Rose said, that's a lie. So that's what she goes around telling people, that Rose don't want no money from them. And it's peanut. It's peanut.
Oh, wow.
So these people that's saying about the
money. So you're saying that the only reason why you didn't get back the money is because you contact the authorities?
Of course I did. I did. The police, I have the crime reference number in my phone. They were in my house. I got interviewed by the police. And Diamond didn't even know that I work with the police.
So this is a separate instance?
Yes. So the reason why I come on this live to tell you, this is what Diamond always do these things. Because she cursed me out and I even said to her...
You're saying she always says that?
Yes, she said it to me, that Rosealee don't want no money. It's peanut. It's peanut. Rosealee don't need it. She don't accept small change.
How are they box?
She did say that. She cursed me and tell me if it comes, me must go suck out this.
So you can't send me £50. Send you the £50 and send me £50.
It was my cousin.
You can't send me £50.
No problem.
You can't send me the £50.
But I'm just...
You can't get $100 to like everybody else.
It was my cousin is on your live right now that gave me the money. But I just came on to clear up something to let you know that the person that speak about the money and said she's making it look like Rosealee don't accept. It's true because she told me, and she even said Akeem told her that he didn't want the money either, and then we found out it's a lie. Yes. I'm the one. She can't lie. I'm the one. And the police even block her from my number. Even last week, the police was on my phone. The police was on my phone. I think they're from camps as well, and asking me if I still feel threatened and when is she coming in the country. And I gave her the date. I gave them the date and her date of birth and everything.
Yes.
And I'm not hiding. It's the truth. I'm a Christian, I don't lie. Because I told her, you know the reason why I did it is because how she was very disrespectful to me. And she started threatening me on the phone. And she tell me, say, I either death, fuck, or funeral. That's what she said. Excuse my language. Daima said that. I'm a Christian, I don't lie. Yes, it's true. I have no reason to lie to you, my brother, but you bless up yourself. I've finished work. I'm gonna go and get myself ready to go on prayer line.
Yeah, man, I'll line up 50 pounds for me and Yardy to darling.
No,
take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself. You too. Bye-bye. Take me down.
God bless you, darling.
God bless you too, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Wanna line up 50 pounds for me and Yardy too. Right, Yardy, line up 50 pounds for me and Yardy. When the blood, I saw no, hey, I saw so much hungry belly people over here. I walk on and chew me now swing good and them thing, then people inbox so I now make the money over here. So I go on. Me need you swing some hood in some gift inbox and say, hold this, give me 50 pounds. Yeah. Yo! Mighty God of Daniel. Mighty God of Daniel. Beneath just no. Me I waste myself on my potential. How am I with my life? No. Remember say the matic big, you know. It can't fit on picture, you know. Can't fit on picture. Me need to tell it out to the world. The world needs to see this. Me need to make money.
Anyway, people, I'm just going to give you them quick update here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.